Hey, I'm Jeff Allen. I'm president of CubiCasa. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our mission. Our mission at CubiCasa is to be the company that helps get a floor plan attached to every single real estate listing in the United States. It doesn't have to be our floor plan, but a floor plan attached to every single listing. We're so obsessed with this idea, and so we invented our own weird acronym for it, FPOEL. We pronounce it FPOEL, and it means floor plan on every listing. We say it all day, every day to each other when we're working on our mission, and we've even created this cool blinking GIF in neon that we pass around on our internal Slack channels. That's how obsessed we are. So it sounds crazy probably to you. You're thinking floor plans are only on some listings. How do we get them attached to all? It's actually not crazy because it's happened in other countries around the world already. The US is actually lagging behind in this sense. So Australia, the UK, Sweden, Finland, Norway, a bunch of countries, you wouldn't list your house without getting a floor plan. It's kind of become a default de facto standard. And it's not hard to see why that would happen eventually. It just makes the market better. Floor plans are the digital asset on a listing that best gives a potential home buyer a sense at a glance if this is the right house for them. Scrolling through a bunch of different photos, that's great, but it takes a lot of work. Jumping around to different interactive bubble jumping virtual tours is great, but it takes a lot of work. The floor plan is the thing you can look at and quickly get a sense for, is this right for me? Are the rooms big enough? Does the flow of the property match what I'm looking for? Is my couch, my new sectional, going to fit in this living room? You can answer all those questions really quickly by looking at a floor plan. So we think this is just the right thing to do for consumers. And the research from the National Association of Realtors confirms it. Every year, the National Association of Realtors does a study with home buyers and sellers. And one of the things it asks them is, what are the features of a real estate website that you find most valuable? And every single year, floor plans ranks as the #1 requested piece of feature for a real estate website after the basic photos and property data. So it always goes photos, property data, floor plan, every year that they do this survey. So there's obviously a big demand. Consumers want floor plans because they're so helpful. But right now in the US, we're not giving it to them. We'd say probably 25-30% of the listings in the US have a floor plan today. That's up significantly from where it was because of the efforts of CubiCasa and other companies who are in this business, but it has a lot of room to go to really make it better for consumers and have it on every single listing. Now, when we achieve this mission, not if, but when, it doesn't just benefit consumers, it also benefits CubiCasa's users. If you don't know what CubiCasa is, we've got an app that is the single easiest way to create a floor plan. You use the smartphone you have in your pocket, you scan a house, you get a floor plan back the next day. The scan takes you about 5 minutes. So if you are a real estate photographer, for example, who uses our product, we help you by giving you the single easiest way to add value to your agent customers at a shoot besides the standard photos. Just add 5 minutes of walking around the house and you get back a valuable asset you can give to your customer. For agents who use us or who use the photographers that work with us, obviously you're getting the benefit of an elevated, better listing. A floor plan, like we just described, makes listings better, and that's a service you can give to your sellers to help them stand out from the crowd. So it doesn't just benefit consumers, it benefits our users. There's a lot of ways you can join the FPOEL mission. If you're a real estate photographer, think about joining our CubiCasa Preferred Photographer Program. In this program, photographers who join receive special discounts, faster turn times, access to new features earlier than everybody else, and all sorts of cool stuff. And in exchange, they join the mission. They agreed to include a floor plan on every single photo shoot that they do. We started this program in 2023, and it's taken off like crazy. We've got lots and lots of photographers on board because they see the value in being able to provide more value to their customers. If you're an agent and you want to join the FPOEL mission, there's 2 ways you can help. First, use a photographer from our network who uses a floor plan on every shoot. They'll take care of it for you. Photographers take time and effort off of your plate, and they do great quality work. However, if you do like to scan on your own, that's cool too. We have an MLS Partnership Program where MLSs can join up and be part of promoting the FPOEL mission to their agents and their local markets. So just encourage your MLS to reach out to us, and we'd love to partner. So there's lots of ways to join up. There's lots of ways to participate in this mission. But however you decide to join and however you decide to participate, we're happy to have you. We truly believe this is going to happen. We're going to run through every brick wall we encounter until we get there, and we're going to have a lot of fun along the way. Thanks for watching.